Look folks, that's why Richard Gere says water is 65 degrees on the surface. 65.7 here, 63.2 here. This one, the live scope, is on the surface. There is no error. There is no error. The other transducer is at least 2, but maybe over 2 feet underwater to kind of get under the engine. Otherwise, my engine disturbs the signal too much. But 63 or 65, I don't think the fish is spawning. So far, I haven't seen one bed. I don't think they're spawning yet. You know, they say fish spawn, crappie spawn 55 to 60. I gotta tell you, I think it's 65 at least in Illinois and Tennessee. Today is very special trip, folks. 6:39. Wow, I really have no time left. I have 1 hour and 20 minutes. Today is a work day. You can see Friday, April 21. Today is a work day for me, and I have to be on my computer. I mean, ideally 8 o'clock, but okay, if I'm 8:30, fine. But before 9, 100% before 9. So 8 o'clock today, I promise you, I'm gonna be on that ramp, loaded on the truck. So I drove all the way here. I'm gonna fish about 1 hour and 10 minutes and tow my boat back. And might not seem like it's worth it to you, but to me it's worth it. I'll tell you why. Because I don't have people telling me what lake is, where it is in the staging process, okay? I gotta figure, what am I gonna do this weekend? But I don't know. Last week I was sick again. These sinus infections that I get all the time, I found a reason why I get sick all the time, but I'll tell you another time. But yeah, I want to hit the lake today, even for 1 hour. I'm gonna check the bank here, I'm gonna check the other side, I'm gonna go back, check the shallow before I get. I'm gonna collect some information. If the fish is spawning, trust me, for 1 hour I will know. Trust me, I will know. Not a lot of rods, 1 Presso float, 1 Presso with 1 gram trout magnet. That's it, 1 gram for fishing, 1 hour for fishing. That's gonna be the video today. And I hate when there is no wind. All the dust is on the surface. The water looks really stale and dirty. This lake, Randy told me, doesn't fish in the summer at all because it gets all dingy and weedy and you can't even put a boat here. I think I'm just gonna start casting because these fish, folks, don't, I don't know, float, or you can't see them. Like, look on the live scope. What are you gonna see here? But they're there. They are right on the drop off of the bank. It's kind of hard to see in this particular lake. In some lakes, they will make the beds like 10 feet away from the bank. You'll see them. On this lake, folks, I've seen the fish. I've caught the fish, even this year. But single fish, no mass fish. But I've caught them right on the bank, right on the bank. Was a little. I'm gonna cast one more time here because this tree is so awesome. Wow, that was perfect cast, even though I'm casting from my left to right. Fish. Baby crappie. That's not what I'm looking for. That's not what I'm trying to find out, folks. And these are some baby fish. If you get a spawning fish, They nail that thing so hard. It's not like they're hungry. It's like they want to kill it. They hit it like they want to kill it. Bite. Is this the first real fish? I don't think so. This one Bijik. I felt he threw water right on the camera. Well, he got the belly. He gonna be doing business. Starting to feel, folks, that the fish is not really shallow. And float is not the best way. Maybe a jig head because I can run it on the bottom. Wow. Bite. I thought, man, I can't even catch a few fish for a video. I need like 5 good fish to make a video out of this 1-hour trip. And I think this will be one of them. And believe it or not, this fish is pulling my boat. I'm not kidding. This fish is pulling my boat, and I'm gonna have to do what I just told you. That's a bluegill, if you can believe it. Looky here. That's what we came for, folks. This is not a bedding bluegill. This is not a bedding bluegill. This guy is here just for preps. Put him gently. Sometimes in these circumstances, the bigger fish will be closer to the bank, and the smaller fish will be further out. As another good fish. The bigger fish will be on the bank, doing some kind of business. Smaller fish is usually afraid, and like the 4-inch bluegill will stay schooled up. They will stay schooled up a little bit off the bank. I mean, back out of the business zone. That's a baby bass that I'm gonna be boat flipping because I have 3-pound leader here. Should be more than enough for this guy. Actually, for my tackle, he's not too bad. Well, I cast into what I saw was like a bunch of baby fish. What do you get? These bass will eat bigger bluegill than you think they're capable of. There's another. Come on, one crappie. This lake has very few crappie. Actually, I'm catching some babies this season. Until this year, I never caught baby crappie here. But it does have, there is a crappie for our VGO. There is a crappie. Catch very few. It's not good to just target them specifically. But when you catch one, when you catch one, it's a stud, usually. It's a pure stud. I don't know if this is a female. No colors. No colors on this mama, no eggs either. I think they're not spawning yet. If this is a male, it should be black. If this is a female, it should be full of eggs. Do you follow my drift? Okay. Is this fish gonna make the video? Yeah, he decent. Yeah, he's gonna make the video. Alright, we have fish number 4 for the video. Oh no, oh no, oh no. Ain't no bluegill, oh no. This is my first ever fish on this lake. Oh no, oh no. Looky here, what a shell cracker. And look at his belly. Look at his belly, folks. He's gonna explode. Now I knew this, they told me this lake has shell cracker. This is my very first one. I've caught a few hundred fish out of this lake. I can't say 1,000. It's difficult lake. It's difficult lake. Now why is it legal to harvest this shell cracker full of babies just before it spawns? It's a mystery to me. Even in Bulgaria, even in backward Bulgaria, we have a spawning season that is completely closed for fishing, not catch and release. Well, at least that was when I was still, even during the communism, folks. Even during the communism, during the spawning season, you can't even fish, not catch and release, you can't fish. Here they let you catch and release. But at least release, goddammit. These shell cracker are very rare on this lake. One more. Unless some greedy meat hunter finds the same fish again after I released it. Look here. Look here. Look here, folks. Look here, folks. God bless, folks. God bless. God bless, folks. Let me bump one of these fish. The first one was exactly the same. Let me bump one of them. It ain't gonna be 10 inches, but it's gonna be real close. My gosh, that fish is not even 8 inches. Can you believe that? I thought it was certainly 9.5 at least. That fish is 8.5. Unbelievable. I have caught 9.5 that look much smaller than this. Why did I cast so shallow? Let go, dude. Well, I saved the float, but I lost everything else. 7:45. We have 20 minutes. Here is the plan. Let's run with the trolling motor to the other bank just to check it, folks. That will take like 2 or 3 minutes, maybe 5. And during that time, I have time to tie a new jig head here. Oh, fish? It never sank. I thought it was too shallow. Gosh dang it. Thank you, Jesus. One bluegill out of the other side for the video. And this is a nice male. He's a nice male. Straighten up your tail, brother. I'm gonna take my time here. And try to salvage it. Come. Let go. My gosh, these little branches can be sticky. I'm gonna spend the last 10 minutes, folks, in open water actually. I don't think the fish are shallow yet. Maybe jig by the bank over there for 10 minutes. Bite fish right here in 2 feet of water. Let's see what it is. And we gotta go because we're late. Oh no. Oh no, look at this. Shell cracker right here. Is this shell cracker? I don't know. Maybe not. Maybe hybrid. Right here, huh? Right here. I don't even have time to cast, folks. I'm late. I'm late. That's another bite there. I'm late, folks. That's another fish. Right here on the point, they're biting. Little basic. I gotta go, folks. I gotta go. I'm already too late. Let's get out of here. We're already late. But I learned what I wanted to learn today. I still think I'm not gonna come here this weekend. I'm gonna go to Nickajack because I think that's where the statistical probabilities of having an incredible day is higher. Yeah, this lake still has another week, I think. Another week until they get out there. All right, folks. Thanks for watching this little episode. I don't know how many fish we caught in 1 hour. Probably about 10, 12 fish, maybe 15. But 6 or 7 decent. And 5 or 6 baby crappie. I'll take it. With all the information, the temperatures, I learned a lot. All right, thanks for watching this one. I gotta pack my 2 rods back in the boat and get out of here as soon as possible. Bye-bye.